My name is Bob Shatner, and I'm the Director of Competitive Edge Services here at the Renaissance Insurance Group. And essentially what that means is we have over 80 member agents that are part of our alliance. And my job is to make sure that they perform their core function, which is to sell insurance. So we work with them on their technology and we help them in any way we can. RPost plays a major role in that. We're rolling out RPost to our agents to make sure they get the benefit of this. Here in Massachusetts and Connecticut, at the end of the year, there will be a new law that goes into effect that affects data security. So this is absolutely perfect for us. We've been using RPost for approximately 2 years. As far as setting up RPost, getting it to work, it's a simple download and very, very simple to install. It works great. We absolutely love it here. One of the things we use it for primarily is eSignature. As a technology company, we're trying to eliminate the use of paper, and this is a great tool to do so. Instead of having to print a document, hand sign it, scan it, and email it back, we can take care of that all in one shot with the eSignature function. So it's great. The other thing that works wonderful for us is I now have an iPad, and quite often I'm working at home rather than in the field. And if I need to sign a contract, it just makes perfect sense. I can use my iPad to go ahead and do that. This has helped us in a lot of ways. That, as far as value, this has driven down our costs in many ways. We no longer have to go to the post office or have to deal with registered letters. And when you stop to figure the cost for a registered letter, which is anywhere from $3 to $5, I believe, as compared to RPost, which actually works out to be just pennies, essentially, for the effort. And then there's the labor. There's no labor. There's no printing, no trip to the post office. So there's a lot of soft costs that we can save as well. I strongly recommend RPost if your organization has to deal with secure email, if your organization has to deal with contracts that require eSignatures, it's absolutely perfect. And getting back to receipts, it's perfect because you'll actually have a receipt which can stand up in a court of law. So again, I strongly recommend RPost, and I think you'd be very happy with it, a good fit in your organization.